right, everybody, we're gonna now go for a ride. Our 1970 Chevy Chevelle Convertible, 454 big block, cowl induction hood. Got a nice version of a Chevelle because, as you can see, we have our tack, not a clone of a Monte Carlo or a flat. I like to call them the Malibu dashes. Got very good brakes. Got very good steering. This is a factory AC vehicle. Even our interior, as I turn around here, you see, very clean, very nice, very solid vehicle. As we open her up right now with our 4-speed manual. I don't know if you just saw that, but the cowl induction actually works. Unlike most Chevelles, they never really connected them and they just left them blank. But this is a wonderful car we got here at Skyway Classics. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.